Hi guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you an amazing tool to do Python coding. You don't need anything, you just need a computer, internet connection and a web browser. Okay, yeah, I'm telling about Google Colab. So for starting with coding in Google Colab and Python, you have to search in Google Colab, right? Then okay, I'm going to this link and then you'll find this window will be appearing over there. So you have to create a new notebook. You can create from here or you can create from here, and make sure that you are logged in to the Gmail account. I am already logged in over here. If you're not logged in, then you can add another account. So at first you need to go to the top left corner. So you have to go to the file section, then go to the new notebook, click here, then a new notebook will be opening. It will take a few seconds. Yep, so this is the notebook. We are telling it notebook and you have to write the Python code over here. And before starting, please make sure that you renamed the title. You can write anything over here. I'm writing my first code. Okay, so at first I'm gonna show you the hello world code, because for any coding or any programming we start with printing something and it's very popular. So I'm gonna print something, right? So as I am going to print something, so I have to write print, then first bracket, and inside this first bracket put single quotation and write whatever you wanna write. So I wanna write hello world, right? I'm telling the world that I'm writing my very first Python code. Then press shift plus enter at the same time, right? So I'm pressing shift and then I'm pressing enter, and then it is gonna run online. So you're saying it is running online, to be honest. So you see, so this is the output, hello world. So whatever you'll write inside this quotation will be appearing in the output. So this is called the input code and this is the output. So again, suppose I'm going to print my name over here. So in the single quotation I'm going to print my name is Mubin. Okay, so then press shift plus enter to run it, and you'll find like this is running, right? So whatever you will be writing here will be appearing in the output. Okay, so now let's do a simple calculation. For example, suppose a equals 1, b equals 2. We are gonna print the sum of these two numbers. So suppose sum is equals a plus b. So we are going to print the value of sum, right? So write print in the first bracket sum. Okay, so the value of a is 1, the value of b is 2, then we are adding a plus b and putting the value in the variable sum, and then we are going to print the variable sum in the output. So we can press shift plus enter to run it, or you can just single click over here to run it. So I'm gonna print click it, so then it is gonna run and the output is 3. So your question might be like, we are putting a lot of sentence lines or codes here, right? But why it is only printing 3 in the outside? So the simple answer is that we have commanded the computer to print only the sum, only the value of sum, right? That is the reason why it is printing the value of sum here. So if you wanna print other things, for example um, subtraction, multiplication, or division, whatever, you can print those. For example, I'm gonna print out the subtraction of b minus a, so I'm gonna print here, print sub, so it is gonna print the difference between b and a. If I again run it, so I'm gonna run it, and it is gonna print 3 at first, so it is gonna print the value of sum, I mean 2 plus 1 equals 3. Then it is gonna print the value of subtraction, that means 2 minus 1, b minus a, that means 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is very simple coding. So I hope you understand how to write Python code or your very first Python code in Google Colab, which is very updated compiler, online compiler, and very easy, easiest way to do the Python coding online. So later whatever you will be writing, it will be saved to the Google Drive. Okay, already you will be finding this code in your Google Drive, so you don't need to save it again, and then you can download it as well. So for example, from here you can download it in 2 version. You can save a copy in the drive, so you can do a lot of things. So this was my very first Python code in the Google Colab platform. Hope you liked the video. If you guys like the video, please feel free to subscribe in my YouTube channel. Thank you.